This is the AutoSolo ramps and level platform set for ASWG004. It raises every wheel to the same height as the drive-on turn plates, allowing you to roll onto the plates on the front with the back wheels leveled. The kit ships in 6 flat panels and 4 ramps. Lift the female slot over the male tab and slide it until it locks. Before you start, make sure to work on a flat, hard floor. First, put a ramp in front of each wheel. Long units to the rear, short units to the front. Line the center line of each ramp up with the center line of the wheel. Start the car and slowly ease up the ramp. Stop as soon as the wheels reach the flat deck. Do not overshoot. Next, place a turn plate with the dial outward in front of each front wheel platform with the rotating center of the plate on the center line of the wheel. Drop a transition bridge into the gap between each ramp deck and the turn plate. Seat them flat. Then roll the car forward onto the plates at walking pace. Center each front wheel on the turn plate. This can take a couple of tries. A second person outside the car makes it much faster. Take your time here. Let the car settle, and you are ready to start your alignment setup.